General knowledge class. And again today we are going to study some current affairs. This is our second day of current affairs, and let me see the first question. Where is the world's largest pedestrian bridge constructed? Here are three new words for you: pedestrian, bridge and constructed. Pedestrian means where we walk on foot. That place is called pedestrian. Bridge, all of you know, to join two places bridges are made, and constructed means made. So where is the world's largest pedestrian bridge constructed? In this bridge no vehicles can move, only the people walking on foot can move on this bridge. And where is that place? That is Portugal. In Portugal, the largest pedestrian bridge is constructed. Now I am showing you this bridge. This is the picture of the largest pedestrian bridge. Now here are some important points about it. It is 516 meters long. Above it stretches over the Pavia Gorge. The walkway is made up of 127 interlocking metal cages, and the bridge is located in the Arauca Geopark. Second question is, who has taken over as first ever woman head of SAIL in January 2021? The full form of SAIL is Steel Authority of India Limited. Until now you have studied the first President of India, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, first Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, and this is the first ever woman head of SAIL, and this is Soma Mandal. I am showing you the picture of Soma Mandal. This is the picture of Soma Mandal. Now see, Soma Mandal has assumed the position of Chairman SAIL with effect from January 2021. Soma Mandal has the distinction of not only being the first woman functional director of the SAIL, but she is also the first woman chairman of the company. And we as a women feel proud of her. Now, who is the first Indian woman to win medal in Olympic Games continuously 2 times? And the name is PV Sindhu. Beta, all of you will see when you will go in South India that PV Sindhu, PT Usha, PV Narasimha Rao, this type of name, APJ Abdul Kalam, because these abbreviations are coming from their father, grandfather, great grandfather's name. And her full name is, see, this is the picture of PV Sindhu. And this is the second time she won the Olympic Games. Her full name is Pursala Venkata Sindhu. And she is an Indian professional badminton player and the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Born on July 5, 1995 in Hyderabad, Sindhu is also one of the 2 Indian badminton players to ever win an Olympic medal, the other being Saina Nehwal. You all have read about Saina Nehwal also. She was also a badminton player. She is also a badminton player, and she also won 1 medal in Olympic Games. Now, who is the President of America? And who is the President of America? Joe Biden. Here is the picture of Joe Biden. See, Joe Biden was born on November 20, 1942. He is an American politician, 46th current President of United States. He is the member of Democratic Party. He served as 47th Vice President from 2009 to 2017 under Barack Obama and represented Delaware in the United States Senate. From 1973 to 2009. Now, India's first air taxi service has been launched in which state? And that is Haryana. And what is air taxi? First, I will have to explain, my dear. Usually, you are watching aeroplane, and aeroplane is called Airbus because many people can ride on that, just like a bus. But air taxi is just like a car or Ola or taxi, whichever we hire. Okay, very few peoples or means one family can travel in this, and this service has been started from Haryana. See, India's first air taxi services was inaugurated in Haryana on January 14, and State Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar inaugurated the service at Chandigarh Airport. Which airport? Chandigarh. The service will start from Chandigarh to Hisar under Udan scheme of central government. Who became the first woman fighter pilot to participate in the Republic Day fly past? And the name is Bhavna Kant. You can see the picture of Bhavna Kant. Now see here, Flying Officer Bhavna Kant is one of the 3 first female pilots of India who have made the whole country proud. They were trained to take control of fighter aircrafts and become an air warrior. Being from a family where no one hails from a military background, means from her family before her no one was from military background, but she has dreamt to serve the country. Bhavna fulfilled her dream by joining Indian Air Force as flying officer. And if you will read the story of Bhavna, it will motivate you to join. Now here is the question: of which state has Mrs. Hema Kohli become the first woman Chief Justice of High Court? Of which state? And the state is Telangana. And before Telangana, she was also serving as the judge in Delhi High Court. So now, Mrs. Hema Kohli became the first woman Chief Justice of Telangana High Court is your answer. Hema Kohli, she was born on September 1959, is an Indian judge and current says Chief Justice of Telangana High Court and the first woman judge to hold that office. Before that, period to that means before that, she served as a judge of the Delhi High Court. Next question is, who is the richest Indian in the world by Bloomberg Billionaires Index? And the answer is Mukesh Ambani. And all of you know Mukesh Ambani is the owner of Reliance Industries, Jio Network. There are many companies right now, Jio Mart, everything is even Reliance Footwear, Reliance Clothes, you will see. So there are multiple companies under him. And this is the picture of Mukesh Ambani. See, Mukesh Ambani in full, Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, born April 1957, is an Indian business who is the chairman and managing director of the Indian conglomerate Reliance Industries, REIL. Right now you will say Reliance Footwear, Reliance Dresses, even JioMart, the foremost company of the Indian energy and materials, and these are under the Reliance Group. His father's name was Dhirubhai Ambani and mother's name was Kokilaben Ambani, and he is having brother also, and his brother's name is Anil Ambani. You all have read about Dhirubhai Ambani also. Now my dear, you will do this question answer in very neat and clean handwriting. First you will write SW and date and in very good handwriting, and you will send. Okay, thank you my dear.